सर मंत्र्यान आता सांगला की ग्राम सभा म्हणटा त्यो रिझोल्युशनां घेतात तेन्ना केन्ना प्रोजेक्ट हाडायता तूं ग्राम सभेक रिकॉग्नाइज करता. इन द रिसेंट पास्ट 4th May 2025 नुवें, 19th May 2025 बाणावले, 27th June 2025 करमळे, 19th January 2025 चोडणा. हे आता ग्राम सभा रिझोल्युशन्स आर स्पेसिफिक asking to carry out a capacity study, carrying capacity study. ते कितें म्हणटात की कोणे तरी carrying capacity ची स्टडी करची. As you say, the panchayat is not equipped to do this carrying capacity study. So they are taking a resolution and they want the government to carry out this carrying capacity. In addition, Honorable colleague has mentioned Suresh Prabhu's name, who also advises Honorable Chief Minister. So the point is, you know that there is huge influx, there is a strain on our resources, and therefore a carrying capacity study is required. My simple question is, as a representative of the cabinet, answering this question, is the government wanting to carry out a carrying capacity study?
Speaker sir, since this has emerged in a very strong manner, the government will work on a sort of mechanism wherein we can perhaps consider as guidelines to the panchayat what is according to the carrying capacity or according to the number of people living in the villages, what is the strata, whether there are Kazan lands, whether there are fields, what can be permissions can be given or not to be given. We can work out some guidelines.
No.
Working on the carrying capacity.
साधे कोंकणीन सांगता आता. हांव म्हणटा की कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ची स्टडी जावची म्हणून ग्रामसभा मागता. पंचायतीच्यान ते करपाक तांचे कडेन रिसोर्सीस ना आनी तांचे कडेन नो हाव ना. सरकार ती कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करूंक सोदता. गायडलायन्स न्ही, कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीची स्टडी. कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी म्हळ्यार कितें हें जर तूं प्रश्न विचारता हांव तुका फुडें सांगता. पूण कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी मंत्र्याक खबर आसतली. ही तुमी करपाक तयारी तुमची आसा ओ ना हो म्हाका सादो येस ऑर नो क्वेश्चन जाय.
स्पीकर सर, हांव मान्य करता जे मान्य सुरेश प्रभूंनी उलयल्ले ते सारकें. आमी डेव्हलपमेंट आमकां जाय, गोंय आमकां फुडें गेल्लें जाय, कशें वयतलें, कितले पुसान आमी एलाव करतले आनी ते हितून तरी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करपा जाय. हितून दुसरेय डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व जातले. हांव म्हाजे डिपार्टमेंटाचो मूव करून बाकीचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व करून वी विल work out, try to work out a mechanism to work out the carrying capacity of every village in Goa for that matter.
Nilesh
Not a
Kabra.
bad idea.
Speaker sir,
it's a joint question. Speaker sir, सरकार acknowledge करता की material recovery facility म्हळ्यार MRF infrastructure in most Goan villages is either grossly inadequate or already overwhelmed. हांव तुका facts सांगता स्पीकर सर. 20 out of 30 villages in Salchet, 10 out of 11 in Kepping, 10 out of 33 in Bardez. Key growth hubs like in Tiswadi like Azosi, Mandur, Bamboli, Kurka, Neura, Kumarjiva, these are all lacking basic wet waste management facilities. Now this waste is going to be created by people who are going to come there, going to stay there, make second homes, build hotels, whatever. Speaker sir, in Majorda for example, an MRF has been built on a questionable land. कोण हाडून काडल्यात बांदले. 18K sectionाचेर construction केले. 90% of the villages do not have any mechanism to handle sanitary waste beds. This is a study that is showing. So basically our waste management infrastructure in rural areas is falling apart. This is a fact. I am giving you as a fact. Speaker sir, आता town planning कशें approval दिता हे आमकां सगळें खबर आहा. Town planning will go as Kalu says from planning point of view. They'll say as per the regional plan, this is the FAR, this is the width of the road, that is everything. Now this is beyond that, because even the people who conceptualized the regional plan 2021 didn't expect that you will have a government like this, which will make cities out of villages.
Yes.
And call them rural. 1 minute, speaker. 1 minute question galta. So how आता मागता तू transport minister you are. Does the panchayat or any authority actually study the traffic load and the road capacity before granting permission for mega projects? येदेशे रस्त्यार चड करून आमी कांदोळी, कलंगूट थंय पळयतात. येदोसो रस्तो आनी 5 स्टार हॉटेल भितर 500 रूम.
Yes.
स्पीकर सर, ट्रॅफिक लोड तो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आहा आनी पंचायत मिनिस्टर आहा ट्रॅफिक लोड आनी रोड कॅपॅसिटी हाजेर कितें स्टडी जाता मेगा प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव्ह करचे पयलीं आनी जायना जाल्यार तूं करपाक तयार आहा.
स्पीकर सर, हांवें सुरवातेकूच सांगला इन माय ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स, गोंयान पळयल्या 5 स्टार हॉटेल आसा, व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट आहा, रस्ते सारके उशीर आसा. आनी
wrong there, they can't build like that.
one minute, no,
Yeah.
let me finish, I'm on my legs. Speaker sir, आनी ते इवन रुंद करपाक शक्यच ना. ती घरां कितें डेमोलिश करतले. आमी आख्खे गोंयानूय हांव जेन्ना भोंवता तेन्ना आय गेट सरप्रायज आनी लोकांनी कितें केलां आपली दुर्गां काडपाक आनी भायर येयला आपल्या दुरीक काडून म्हणजे 2 गाडयो सुद्दां क्रॉस जायना. ही स्थिती आख्खे गोंयान आसा. तरी आसतना आमी कितें पळयता थिंगाच आमच्या गोंयकारांनी बांदला आनी दुसऱ्याय लोकांनी बांदला व्हडली व्हडली हॉटेलां तीच गाडयो क्रॉस करपाक एकदां केस्तांव सुद्दां जाता. बट दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेअर्स. नाव कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी इज समथिंग which we have to work out, we have to do a study. It involves also other departments. I'll request Honorable Chief Minister also that we will work on this so that there is
traffic load,
one
traffic.
minute, so that there is a definite plan.
Because
Now, as far as roads are concerned, and he's saying traffic plan, as
Traffic
Tode
load.
village the other day it figured, I think, one minute,
you spoke just specifically
I
on
am
that.
on my sir. I am on my flow of thought